Welcome to the North Campus Calculus Problem Solutions. In Chapter 1, Section 1, and this is the Lecture 6, we will review the basics of linear functions, understand their structure, and solve a few essential practice problems together. For linear functions here, a linear function is a function of the form f of x equals ax plus b. Here, a is the slope of the line and it's the rate of change, and b is the y-intercept where the graph crosses the y-axis. Linear functions always produces straight lines, graphs, and have a constant rate of change. For example, consider the linear function f of x equals 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3, yeah. And the slope here is a equals 2. This is our slope. And the y-intercept is equal to 3. And how do we find the y-intercept? If we put 0 for the x, we find that y-intercept is 3. And the graph is a straight line like here. And because y-intercept is 3, this is 3. And to find the x-intercept, we should make this equal to 0, and 2x equals minus 3 and x equals minus 3 over 2. And this point is minus 3 over 2 by our x-axis. What does the slope equals to mean? The graph is a straight line and that rises 2 units for each 1 unit increase in x. If our slope was 3, this means that for a slope of 3, the graph is a straight line again, and the y rises 3 units for each unit increase in x. Our first example: find the slope and y-intercept of the function f of x equals minus 5x plus 7. Our slope is minus 5. Slope is minus 5. And y-intercept. Y-intercept is that part. And also we can find y-intercept as putting for x equals 0, minus 5 times 0 plus 7 equals to 7. And this is our y-intercept. Y-intercept equals 7. And graph crosses the y-axis at 0, 7. If we draw the graph of this line, this will be like that. Because our slope is minus 5, the graph will be like that. But the graph will cross the y-axis at 7, so this will be like that. This is 7. And the second and the last example is that find the equation of a line passing through the points a 2, 5 and b 6, 13. To find the equation of a line passing from two lines, we have to find the slope firstly. Okay. For a line passing through 2 points, first point x0, y0, and second point x1, y1, we need to find slope. The formula for finding slope passing from 2 points is that slope is equal to y1 minus y0 over x1 minus x0. Since our points 2, 5 and 6, 13, take these points 2, 5 and 6, 13. Now we will find the slope of these lines. The slope is 13 minus 5 over 6 minus 2. This is equal to 8 over 4 and 804 is equal to 2. You can also find the slope like this 5 minus 13 minus 2 minus 6. This will give you the same answer. And our slope is 2, and our points are there. Okay, I will not use a formula to find the equation of the line. You just need one slope and one point. Which point you choose is not important actually. I will choose here the point A, 2, 5. Okay. The equation will be like that. Y equals ax plus b, and a is the slope. We have found the slope as 2. Put it here, and our axis is 2, x is 2, and y is 5. So put 2 for x and 5 for y. Then 5 equals 2 times 2 plus b, and this gives us b equal to 1. Then for an equation y equals ax plus b, we just need to put a and b. Y equals 2x plus 1 is the equation of the line. And this is the last example. See you later.